Hi everyone, welcome back. I wanted to do this quick video because I've had a chance to play around with Microsoft Designer, which just became available a couple of weeks ago. It's for free, so you can go ahead and check it out. And I'm really impressed with just the few minutes that I've played around with it. So I wanted to tell you why I've been so impressed. I'm going to share my screen now in a second here. So if to find it, you just do a search for Microsoft Designer, and hopefully it's the top of the list. And then you go to it, you can sign in by email. Then you'll get to this interface. And on this interface, it's just like ChatGPT or GPT-based programs. You're going to give it a prompt or an idea of what you want to be created, and then let the magic begin. So what I used was I was going to create a TikTok screen for my new website, uh, new AI.art. And I specified, I believe, in futuristic style. I did a couple prompts, so I think that's the one that I used. And then you just click generate. Now, notice that you can actually upload an image that you want to be incorporated into the design. And then you can also have Microsoft's program generate an image for you based on a prompt using their GPT. So either way, now, when I initially did it, I didn't use any image. I didn't upload mine, or I didn't create one through their AI program. I just said a textual prompt to do this. And the result that I got, or one of the results I got, was this. It was with the person with pink hair, which I kind of like because for those of you who've been following AI art, Claire Silver has a CryptoPunk known by her pink hair, and she remains pseudonymous, and people haven't seen her in real life as the artist, but she goes by that avatar, so to speak, of the CryptoPunk, and is known for the pink hair. So I thought this was somewhat fitting in terms of AI art. And then you can play around with the visuals, um, add more media to it. You can change the font here, going down and select your favorite font. I selected this Bebus New, which is sort of a modern font for the main heading, and for the website, I used this kind of sleek font, Bond Schrift Lines 3, and then you're ready to download. That's it. I mean, that really took 5 minutes or less based on this. Some of the other possibilities that were generated by the designer, here was one that I also liked, and this actually you can create into a short video as well. And there were other options too, but I wanted to focus on the two that sort of caught my eye on the first run through. And then you can play around with it more, and I've changed the prompt to have more focus on the virtual renaissance, which is a concept that I've sort of developed in my book, Creators Take Control. And then you can see here, these are some of the options, and you can see some of them are animated, the top row. So if I hover over it, you will get that in terms of a MP4 file to embed into a website. These others are still images too. So as you can see, pretty incredible. I didn't have to hire a graphic designer. I just immediately was able to select from the options that the designer fed back to me, and I'm quite impressed with the few minutes that I spent with it. I hope to play around with it more. And I will be comparing it with Canva, which I use more often. Canva has an integrated AI creator in it too, and I'll see what I think comparing the two. And I'm sure there are others coming out, but that just gives you a sense of the amazing tools that are based on AI that allows just individuals to create visual images using textual prompts. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you see you back shortly. Please do subscribe to my channel when you get a chance.